Welcome to Smart GK Study. English Tense MCQ questions. For competitive exams. She leave for Jammu yesterday. A leaves. B is leaving. C has been leaving. D left. Correct answer is option D. She left for Jammu yesterday. Next. I write to her last week. A wrote. B have been writing. C had been writing. D written. Correct answer is option A. I wrote to her last week. Next. He. B. Weak in English in the beginning. A. Being. B. Being. C. Was. D. Had been. Correct answer is option C. He was weak in English in the beginning. Next. He. Teach in this college for 5 years. A. Teaches. B is teaching. C taught. D has been teaching. Correct answer is option C. He taught in this college for 5 years. Next. He buy a car 1 month ago. A bought. B has bought. C has been buying. D had been buying. Correct answer is option A. He bought a car 1 month ago. Next. What time? You reach home in the evening. A. Do reach. B. Does reach. C. Did reached. D. Have reached. Correct answer is option A. What time do you reach home in the evening? Next. Where he go to play in the evening? A. Did go. B. Has gone. C. Does go. D. Does going. Correct answer is option C. Where does he go to play in the evening? Next. She attend college since 4th July. A. Has been attending. B. Attends. C. Is attending. D. Attended. Correct answer is option A. She has been attending college since 4th July. Next. When he meet you, he will love you. A. Will meet. B. Is meeting. C. Meets. D. Has met. Correct answer is option C. When he meets you, he will love you. Next. The earth move around the sun. A. Is moving. B. Has been moving. C. Moves. D. Moving. Correct answer is option C. The earth moves around the sun. Next. This servant work with us for 10 years. A. Works. B. Has been working. C. Is working. D. Does work. Correct answer is option B. This servant has been working with us for 10 years. Next. How you get on with your studies. A. Is get. B. Do get. C. is getting. D. Have got. Correct answer is option B. How do you get on with your studies? Next. It rain all the year round here. A. Has rained. B. Is raining. C. Rains. D. Has been raining. Correct answer is option A. It has rained all the year round here. Next. He suffer from malaria since the day before yesterday. A. Has been suffering. B. Have been suffering. C. Suffers. D. Is suffering. Correct answer is option A. He has been suffering from malaria since the day before yesterday. Next. The sun rise in the east and set in the west. A. Rising is setting. B. Rises sets. C. Rising setting. D. Has been rising, has been setting. Correct answer is option B. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Next. If you be hungry, you can eat. A. Being. B. Are. C. Have been. D. Will be. Correct answer is option B. If you are hungry, you can eat. Next. Why you come late every day? A. Do you come? B. Did you come? C. Have you come? D. Did you come? Correct answer is option A. Why do you come late every day? Next. They live in Srinagar for 5 years. A. Are living. B. Were living. C. Has been living. D. Have been living. Correct answer is option D. They have been living in Srinagar for 5 years. Next. I tell you already about it. A. Told. B. Have told. C. Tells. D. Am telling. Correct answer is option B. I have told you already about it. Next. This pen cost me 10 rupees. A. Costs. B. Costing. C. Has cost. D. Costed. Correct answer is option C. This pen has cost me 10 rupees. Thanks for watching. Smart GK Study.